The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Remove the two screws securing the bottom of the glove box. Remove the two clips that secure the footwell roof or the bottom of the glove box by prying the center tab out and then popping the base off. Open the glove box. Remove the top three screws that secure the glove box assembly. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Uninstall the bolt on the filter housing using an 8mm socket. Remove the filter housing door. Install your new AQ1095 filters into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the bolt. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the bottom screws. Reinstall the footwell panel.